Lately, I've realized that it's not only what we say that matters, but also how we say it. I've always thought that if the words were correct, then my communication will be correct too. But it doesn't always work like that. Sometimes the exact same sentence can sound kind, indifferent, or even rude. It all depends on the tone we use. And what's interesting is that most of the time we don't even realize about it. Since I've started paying attention to the way I communicate, I've noticed that I used to speak too fast, speak in a disorganized way, and that there are moments when my tone doesn't truly reflect the emotion I want to express. And that can make the message come across completely different. For example, thank you for helping me, or thank you for helping me, or thank you for helping me. The words are exactly the same, but they don't sound the same when you say it with enthusiasm or with frustration. Over the next few days, I'm going to try to pay attention not only to the words I use, but also to the tone I use when I say them. Because communication isn't just about words, it's also about what we transmit. I'm going to keep practicing and see what happens. Wish me luck!